Welcome to art class. Today we're going to learn or be made aware that writing, R-I-T-I-N-G, is drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Writing is drawing. So what do I mean by that? Well, first of all, when you were little, you learned that you could draw letters. So my first name is Linda, so I'm going to draw the letters L-I-N-D-A. So I have drawn the letters for my name. So let's take this apart and let's see what exactly did I have to draw to write the letter L. There's a vertical line here, so let's draw a vertical line. That's the first mark that I had to make. What was the second mark I had to make to draw the letter L? Oh, it's this horizontal line. So I'm just going to pull it apart. A horizontal line. So I had to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. I can do that. Now let's look at my second letter, I. Oh, I already know how to do that. A tall vertical line. So let's move on to the letter N. The first mark would be another vertical line. But the second mark is different. This is a diagonal line. So I had to be able to draw a diagonal line. My third mark for the letter N is another vertical line. So using these three marks, I was able to write and draw L-I-N, the first three letters of my name, and all I needed was 3 marks. Let's look at the fourth letter in my name, the D. Again, my first mark would be trusty tall vertical line, but the second mark is a curve. That's different. So let me separate it. It would be a curve mark, like this. That makes the letter D. Now let's look over here at this letter A. The first mark is another diagonal line, but it's not the same as this. It is a diagonal in the opposite direction, like that. So I have this diagonal line, but the second mark is that diagonal line, and the horizontal bar through the middle is my horizontal line just moved up and positioned in the middle. And that's all the letters of my first name, Linda. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. Only 5 marks to write my name. Okay, so as soon as I learned how to write my name, I learned these 5 marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what else can I do? What else could be done with these 5 marks? Oh, let's see. Perhaps I can use this mark combined with that mark to make the top of a house. I can use this mark right here. Now I can use this mark on this side, do another one on this side. So I've used this twice, and I'll use this one again. Now I have a house, only using these marks. What about this curve? What could I make using the curve? Well, if I do it this way, and maybe I can flip it, draw it that way. What could this be? Let me use this and that. Ooh, and these two again. I have a person. And I can repeat these. I can use these and these to create the door of my house. I can even use this to create a curve and another curve. Maybe I have a window in my house. I can turn this over like this, and I have bushes. I have more bushes and more bushes. I can use this and my curves to make clouds. There's lots of different things I can do with the marks in my name. So now, what about your name? What about you? What can you draw with the marks in your name? So draw a line at the top part of your paper and write the letters in your name. Separate them out. All the marks. Put all the marks in a row for your name. And then in the space below, draw your pictures. Draw pictures of what you can create with the marks in your name. Have fun, and I look forward to seeing all the amazing things that you create using writing as drawing.